This video is going to look at the riff from Sax by Fleur East. This is the easy version of this riff from Sax. Let's have a go at learning that together. First of all, let's start by finding C position. Find the two black notes in the middle of your piano and then put your thumb on C, which is the white note to the left. Then you can use your other fingers to place on the white notes next door. So now we should have finger 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This song uses the finger numbers 5, 4 and 3. We're going to start by playing finger 5 4 times. Then we're going to rotate between finger 4 and finger 3. It goes 4, 3, 4, 3, 4. Then we end with 2 5s. 5, 5. So it sounds like this. 5, 5, 5, 5, 4, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, 5. Let's try that. Let's try that together a little bit faster and I'll count you in this time. After 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.